Hello and welcome to Blockchain Silver, the place where we analyze what in the world is going on in crypto. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is one of my favorite altcoins. Litecoin would be my number one, and then Bitcoin Cash is number two. We're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash going through its first wave and its ABC correction. On December 15th, 2018, Bitcoin Cash hit a low of 73.53. It probably wasn't there for long, and then that was it. That was the end of it. And very quickly, actually in about 8 days, it went to $228, representing a 3.1x move. And so from there, then it dropped. It took a while, about a month. I think this was a little over a month. It came down to 105 near the end of January. And so you just take 228, times that by 0.461. It had about a 54% correction down to 105. Then from there, on its wave 3, it did another 3.31x move. 105 times 3.31 brings you to 348. And that happened, let's see, about April 7th. And these are ultimate highs here. So this here is just like it hit that probably just for not very long, but it was a 3.31x move. Then from there, we had another correction. The number one, or the wave 2 correction was a lot deeper, but we still had about a 35% correction down to 228. So down touching the old high of the wave 1. Then from there, it went to 482. Then it came down. Let's just take a look at it. So it went to like 482 right here on May 29th, and it came down, and then it had another high. You could either count this as this being the end with an irregular ABC, or you could count this as the end with an ABC. Only time will tell if this goes any lower. We could always go down to the 228 mark. Only time will tell what it's going to do. But I put a range in here because you would have been better off to get out at the 482 a little earlier and then go into Bitcoin, and that would have been a 2.211 move. If you stayed in till the 515, that would have been a 2.258 move, but you would have lost out on the Bitcoin gains. And then this here was the ABC correction down to 253. That happened on July 14th. So most of the coins bottomed out on the July 14th, 15th area. So the whole thing was, again, 7 months, just like a lot of the other coins. And the total move was the 6.55 is from this number here to the 482. And then the 7.0 is from here to the 515. And then this would have been a larger wave 1 and wave 2. And so this video here, this is part 1 of a 2-part series. Now we're going to take the math here. This has already happened on a wave 1 and 2, on a larger 1 and 2. We're going to apply this math again, and we're going to make this the new bottom here, and we're going to see what all it brings us to. Then we have an idea of the price targets for the next run. And so that's it. Thank you for coming over to Blockchain Silver. Always be sure to do your own due diligence, your own research, come up with your own opinion, and make your own decisions before you invest any money. I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this as a hobby in my spare time. And so use caution when you're investing in the crypto markets. They're highly risky and speculative. That's it.